Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious tomato rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite rice, 2 ripe, juicy tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic, plus a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1/2 teaspoon each of mustard and cumin seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida for that authentic flavor. We'll also use 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Let's get cooking. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's prepare the base for our tomato rice. Begin by washing your rice thoroughly and letting it soak for about 20 minutes. This helps it cook evenly. While the rice soaks, finely chop your tomatoes, onion, garlic, and ginger. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the mustard and cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, sauté the chopped onion until it's translucent, followed by the garlic and ginger for a minute or 2, until fragrant. With our aromatics fragrant, it's time to build the rich flavor of our tomato rice. Add the finely chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook them down until they become soft and release all their delicious juices. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the red chili powder, turmeric powder, and that pinch of asafoetida. Cook these spices with the tomatoes for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the raw spice smell disappears. Finally, add salt to taste, mixing it well to combine all the wonderful flavors. Almost there. Now, add the drained rice to your flavorful tomato mixture, stirring gently to ensure every grain is coated. Pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. This ratio is perfect for 1 cup of rice. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until all the liquid is absorbed. Once cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and serve your delicious tomato rice hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.